Alright, today's video is going to be beginner stuff. The advanced cubers are going to complain now. They're gonna probably dislike the video. Oh wait, YouTube removed the dislike button feature, so I can't see it. Anyways, today I'll be teaching you how to solve the cross with the daisy method. So if you don't know how to solve the cross, or you're still solving the cross with white on top, the daisy method is the easiest and also a faster method to solve the cross. So here's a comparison of using the beginner method, the daisy method, and the advanced cross method to solve the cross. Of course, advanced cross is still the fastest because obviously it's advanced, the name already explained it itself, but it's hard and takes some time to learn. For the daisy method, you can solve the cross in about 5 to 6 seconds if you get very good at it. Well, I got 4 seconds because that scramble is pretty lucky. For how daisy method works, I'm sure that everybody has seen it when I'm solving the cross just now. You face the yellow center on top, and you move all the 4 white cross edges to the top and form a daisy-like looking pattern. So this one is one of them. You want the white color to face up and not like this. This is a flip piece, so it will look like this. And then it will form a daisy-like looking pattern. Sure, this looks like a daisy. Wait, actually I'm being sarcastic. This actually looks like a daisy. Alright, anyways, and then you align the cross edges colors to the corresponding centers, and then you move it to the bottom, and then you will repeat until all cross edges are solved. So orange align with orange. For some reason blue was aligned to blue, so you move it down like this, and then blue, and then you see red, you move it to over here, move down, and then green, which is over here, move it, and then to the bottom. At first, solving the cross might be a little slow, but practicing will make you faster. When I first learned the daisy method, I was solving the cross at an average of about 9 to 10 seconds because I have to figure out how the pieces should go and all that. It's pretty slow. I don't even want to talk about it. But after practicing for a few weeks, I started to drop the time to about 7 seconds because I have been more familiar with all the cases and all that. But sometimes it really depends on how good the scramble is. Just like I showed you in the example where I got 4 seconds, that scramble is pretty good for daisy method. But of course you can't fully rely on scrambles. Practicing is still the best way to improve. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!